Brown sugar eggnog. Here's what you'll need to prepare this eggnog, which uses whole eggs and is cooked so it's safe to serve to everyone. Well, everyone of legal drinking age. The first step is to heat whole milk to about 150 degrees. You want the milk to be hot enough that it's steaming, but you do not want to scald it. While the milk is heating, you can beat your egg and sugar mixture together. So you beat the whole eggs, no need to separate, with about a cup of brown sugar. I like the depth that the touch of molasses gives this eggnog. Some cinnamon and vanilla. Beat the mixture until it is completely smooth and the eggs and sugar have thickened somewhat and are a bit paler in color than when they started. Next, you want to temper your egg mixture by slowly ladling in the hot milk. So using a ladle that holds about half a cup, you want to slowly and gradually ladle in that hot milk, whisking the whole time because you don't want your eggs to curdle. You don't have to do all of it, but you do want to get most of it in with the eggs. Once you've added most of the milk to the eggs, return all of the mixture to the saucepan that you heated the milk in. Stirring constantly, cook the mixture over medium-low heat until it reaches 160 degrees. Remove it from heat and let it cool completely before you add the alcohol. I like to use a combination of brandy, rum, and bourbon, but you can use any combination you like or just stick with one of those alcohols. Changing the alcohol is a great way to vary the flavor of your eggnog. Chill the mixture until you're ready to serve it, and then just before serving, top it with whipped cream if desired. I like to use unsweetened whipped cream because the eggnog is sweet enough as it is, and then I will float that whipped cream on top of the eggnog so that when I ladle, or if I have it in a pitcher, a little bit of that whipped cream slips into the glass as I pour. For an extra festive touch, rim your glasses with cinnamon sugar. I hope you enjoyed this video. For the complete recipe, please visit us at arkansasonline.com/cooking.